When you're learning harmonica, it is difficult to know what you need to work on first. So I put together this video where I will talk you through the 8 basic techniques that you need to master first and give you a very brief overview of what they are and why they are important to learn. And if you want to see my in-depth lessons on these and other techniques, you can check out my online harmonica school with a free 14-day trial by clicking on the link in the description below. All right, beautiful chords. So the first thing you need to get down on harmonica is beautiful sounding chords. A chord is when you play 3 or more notes simultaneously. For these chords, we're going to be playing holes 1, 2, and 3, and they need to sound nice and warm and rich, which shows that you're breathing naturally rather than sucking. And not like this. So chords are a great way to practice good natural breathing. Holding the harmonica properly. So at the beginning we don't give it much thought, and I quite often see people doing something like this. And that's fine to get started, but we really want to get into good habits around how we hold the harmonica. The reason you want to learn how to hold the harmonica properly right from the beginning is it's going to help you learn the geography of the instrument and your muscle memory around that geography. Plus, it's going to be really handy for getting the hand effects that we love in blues harmonica, like this. So getting a good hand position and holding the harmonica properly is absolutely paramount. Clean single notes. So that means that you're isolating one hole and you're playing that without any strain or tension, and it sounds nice and sweet and rich like this. We don't want it to sound like this, and we don't want it to sound like this. We just want this. If you can play good, clean single notes, then that will lead you onto a lot more of the advanced blues techniques. If you can't do that, you can't move on to the next stages. Playing in time. That means learning to lock in with a pulse, with a beat. Loads of people focus on the melody. They focus on what notes they're playing. But I would argue the notes are much less important than the rhythm that you're playing them with. Learning to play locked into a beat like this is super, super important. Staying relaxed. This is absolutely fundamental. If you start to do this and get tense, then your harmonica is going to sound thin and weedy and tense. But if you can let your shoulders hang loose and be nice and relaxed, all of your notes and all of your chords and everything are just going to sound sweet and rich and big. So, relaxation of the head, the jaw, the throat, the tongue, the shoulders, absolutely paramount. Bending. This is one of the money techniques for blues harmonica players. It allows so much expressiveness with the harmonica, and that's kind of the USP of the instrument. And it gives us access to all of the missing notes on the instrument. So that is a really important one to get down. Wobbles. This is where you move quickly and smoothly between 2 adjacent holes. So for example, holes 4 and 5 on the draw. So you will have heard that a million times if you've listened to any blues harmonica playing. Handwoir. Okay, so we already talked about the importance of holding the harmonica properly. This is a technique that builds on holding the harmonica properly, and that is creating a sound chamber around the instrument so that it sounds bigger and more reverberant. And also enables you to get those wah sounds. So handwoir is Really one of those techniques that people overlook, but it's the thing that makes harmonica sound so much bigger than it does just by itself. Okay, once you have these 8 fundamental techniques down, you will be in a great position to add more wonderful blues harmonica techniques. And if you want more lessons, just like and subscribe to the channel, then click up here. All right, happy harping.